Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and analysis of the latest gadgets and gear. Today, we're diving into the world of sound with a product that's been turning heads and capturing ears. The JBL Professional IRX112 powered portable speaker. If you're in the market for the best speakers for electronic drums, look no further. The JBL IRX112BT delivers a powerhouse performance in a compact, portable package. Let's start with what sets this speaker apart: its class-leading output and frequency response. Despite its compact size, the IRX112BT packs a punch, delivering crystal-clear sound with plenty of volume. Whether you're a professional musician, a fitness instructor, or just someone who loves to host gatherings with a killer soundtrack, the IRX112BT has you covered. With its easy pairing and Bluetooth streaming capabilities, you can seamlessly stream music from your favorite devices and keep the party going all night long. But it's not just about pumping out the jams. The IRX112BT is also designed with convenience in mind. It features 4 real-world EQ presets, so you can easily optimize the sound for different environments and applications. And let's not forget about durability. Made with high-quality materials and built to withstand the rigors of life on the road, the IRX112BT is ready to go wherever your adventures take you. But don't just take our word for it. Customers rave about the IRX112BT's impressive sound quality, portability, and ease of use. It's no wonder it's become a go-to choice for musicians, DJs, and audio enthusiasts alike. So there you have it, folks. The JBL Professional IRX112 powered portable speaker. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, this speaker is sure to take your sound to the next level. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews like this. Until next time, happy listening.